so I know I'm still way behind and still playing catch up, but I've got one of the 2 December beauty boxes on my lap that we are going to unbox today. Look how beautiful this is. This may be my favorite design I think I've ever seen on one of these boxes so far. It's so pretty. And look at the color scheme. I'm like, oh, this was just made for me. It really truly was. And completely by accident, that it just happens to be quite matchy-matchy with my outfit today. Just saying. But anyways, so this one, I don't remember which one it is other than it's from December. So let's see. Ooh, it smells really good, whatever all's in it. Oh, it's the curly hair box. So, curly hair don't care. If you've been hashtag blessed with natural curls, you know having a good hair day can be a challenge. Yes, it can. Battling frizz, taming wild ends, styling parched strands. To bring your ringlets back to life, we rounded up the products you need to keep spirals beautifully bouncy and seriously shiny. And then it goes into the usual try them out if you want them, blah, 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 where to tag them. And then we have products on the back and the $3 off coupon that expired in December, so there's no point in using it. So anyways, just gonna jump right in. Let's start with this big ol' honkin' bottle here. This is like a big ass bottle to be in one of these. This is by Cream of Nature, Pure Honey, Not Away, Leave-In Detangler for dry dehydrated hair. Oh hey me. Pure honey, rich coconut oil, creamy shea butter, no mineral oil or petrolatum. 8 ounces. What's it say? Pure honey, certified natural coconut oil and shea butter restore moisture and repair split ends, instantly detangling and improving the manageability of hair. Hint, to gently detangle knots, use a wide-toothed comb and start from the bottom working your way up. That sounds pretty good, actually. Instantly detangles, helps with manageability, helps repair split ends and restores moisture, smooths the cuticle, and removes knots. Perfect! You apply it generously and work through troubled sections with a wide-toothed comb. For thick, coarse curls, use a generous amount as a leave-in and completely detangle hair before applying Pure Honey styling products. Keep out of reach of children. I guess because it smells good, they're worried they'll eat it? I don't know. Kind of weird that something's like all natural like that. They have that warning. Well, I guess now that I'm looking at the ingredients, it's not all natural, but still though. That does smell really good. This actually reminds me of the whole blend stuff that I currently use on my hair. It smells very similar because I use the Honey Treasures or whatever it's called. So I think it's very similar ingredients, so it's probably going to work pretty well for me. Okay, hold on. Let me answer this real quick. Okay, I'm moving right along, although I may have to stop again. Next thing in here is the Perfect Edges by Cream of Nature with Argan Oil, because that's the same company. Perfect Edges Hair Gel. It looks like this. It's kind of weird. I guess I've never seen edge gel before, but I'm like, oh, that's kind of trippy. Huh. But for how many little baby hairs I have on the, well, with a hat on, they don't show as bad, but when I pull my hair back, they're really bad. But, it's got like a tin lid. I was like, whoa, that's kind of, alright, unexpected, but okay. So, infused with Moroccan argan oil, this nutrient-rich formula promotes hair strength and holds down edges so strands look sleek and smooth. Perfect hold, exotic shine, and makes hair stronger. #1 hair gel from Morocco. Kind of interesting. And then the back looks like that. Perfect for creating sleek, smooth styles, ponytails, sculpting, and styling the hair. Perfect Edges hair gel infused with argan oil controls and holds down edges, makes hair stronger, moisturizes, and gives exotic shine to the hair. Superior hold without hardening, makes hair stronger, non-sticky, non-greasy formula, alcohol-free, non-flaking, perfect for relaxed and natural hair. Okay. Yes, I realize there is a certain demographic that they show as their target audience, but literally anyone is allowed to use these. There's no rules saying that a white girl can't. Just saying. I know people gave me shit on my Shea Moisture video, but just saying there is no rule saying that anyone can't use these. So, surprisingly in there, Wasn't expecting a mascara to be included, much less what it is. Little mini one. We've got a Maybelline Volume Express the Falsies mascara. It's just the regular Falsies, which, okay, why not? Patented spoon brush, unique flexible wand, and pro keratin formula instantly build 8 times more volume, so lashes are thicker, fuller, longer, and lusher than ever. It's funny because the video I filmed right before this, I was bitching about how I cannot find the Falsies Angel Flare anywhere, and then I get the regular Falsies in this box. That is hilarious to me. Even though it's the mini size. But that's alright. I'll take it. I'll use it. So then, we've got Mixed Chicks Curl Sculptor, which looks like this. This fast-drying, weightless curl creator elongates, curls, softens, and moisturizes. Fast-drying formula infused with vitamin B5 gives hair an added boost of nutrients so curls are soft, hydrated, and beautifully bouncy. That sounds pretty good, honestly. And from what I can smell of it through the tube, it smells pretty good. And then two that go together. I couldn't even see the logo on there. It's so tiny. It looks like it'd be pink, but look, there's words above it. Really itty bitty. So there is Luster's Pink Shea Butter Coconut Oil Moisturizing Hair Milk, which is this one. Lightweight, nourishing formula penetrates strands to deliver hydration, softness, and shine, sealing in moisture for better style maintenance and satiny frizz-free curls. Used daily to replace natural oils lost to heat styling, to condition damaged strands, and to reduce hair breakage. So that's that one. And then that goes with it. Luster's Pink Shea Butter Coconut Oil Luster Conditioner. Maybe this is what I'm smelling, actually. Oh, it is! Oh, that smells really good, actually. Shea butter, coconut oil, and other natural emollients seal in lasting moisture, while castor oil ensures that strands radiate to their most beautiful shine. And that's all that's in there, but I mean, again, how huge this is, and apparently full size, plus the other something, like, that's a pretty good value for $7. Just saying. Just saying. So I had to pick it up. But anyways, that is it for this one. So you guys know the drill. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, bye-bye.